Hey everyone, happy Sunday fun day. This is Emily with DEK Designs and Plan to Be Fab. And I can already tell it's going to be a great week because last week I had to back plan and this week I am going to be ahead of the game. I am going to have my whole week already planned out. So I'm excited about that and I feel like this week will be a lot more productive just because of that. So, I'm going to give a shout out to someone that commented on my previous video. I'm not even going to try to pronounce your name because I'm terrible at that and I don't want to mispronounce it, but thank you so much for commenting and suggesting to either use the new Boss Babe kit or, Boss Lady kit or the Owl kit, and I decided to use the Owl one because I wanted something bright and I just love these happy little owls. They're so cute and I wanted to show it off. So it is a 6-sheet kit and this is actually a bundle, so you get this matching notepad and you get die cuts. So these are the 6 die cuts you get. You get that. This is the sleeping hat. A bundle of flowers, and then sleeping owls, and a moon. So this kit is called Night Owls because they're sleeping and there's a moon. So there's a lot of glittery patterns in this, which I love. I love glitter, as you can tell. Alright, so here are your full boxes, and the quote says, "It's owl good" on it. There is your weekend banner and checklist. And there's some extra washi at the bottom too. So I'm brand new at, well, not brand new, but it's been a while since I've had longer nails, but I decided to be fancy, so I'm going to have to figure out how to use these stickers with these long nails, but I am up for the challenge. Beauty is pain, right? And there's some glitter headers, which I prefer, but we also have these ones that are already filled in, and some matching deco. Alright, I'm going to get started. Alright, so I did not struggle as much as I thought I was going to. So that is a plus. So once again, this one is called Night Owls, and it is a bundle. So you get this 6-sheet kit, and you get the die cuts and the matching notepad to go with it. Alright, so I have next week all planned out. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video, and subscribe to our channel, and comment below if there's something you would like to see in action next for the next plan with me, or if there's any designs you want to see in particular. We have new release Friday, and we have Hump Day Happy Mail, so that's when I will be seeing you guys next. Everyone have a wonderful and great week.